When it comes to home improvement in Clinton Township, one upgrade that can significantly enhance both comfort and energy efficiency is the installation of double-pane windows. These windows, which consist of 2 layers of glass with a gap of air or gas in between, are becoming increasingly popular among homeowners for their numerous benefits, especially given the local climate conditions in Clinton Township. Here's why you should consider upgrading to double-pane windows for your home. Enhanced insulation for year-round comfort. Clinton Township, located in Michigan, experiences a variety of weather conditions throughout the year, including cold winters and warm, humid summers. This wide range of temperatures can make it difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor environment. Double-pane windows provide superior insulation by trapping air or gas between the 2 panes, which acts as a barrier that reduces the transfer of heat. During the winter months, this insulation helps keep the warmth inside your home, preventing cold drafts from entering. In the summer, double-pane windows block out heat from the outside, allowing your air conditioning system to work more efficiently. Significant energy savings. Heating and cooling your home can account for a large portion of your utility bills. By investing in double-pane windows, you can reduce your energy consumption and lower your monthly costs. The improved insulation properties of these windows make it easier to maintain the desired temperature inside your home, meaning your heating and cooling systems won't need to work as hard. This can result in significant savings over time, especially considering the energy efficiency of modern double-pane windows, which are designed to meet or exceed national energy standards. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Living in a busy neighborhood or near major roads in Clinton Township can sometimes mean dealing with noise pollution. Double-pane windows are an excellent solution for reducing outside noise. The 2 layers of glass, along with the insulating gas in between, help dampen sound waves, making your home quieter and more peaceful. This is particularly beneficial for homeowners who work from home, have young children, or simply value a quieter living environment. UV protection for your home's interior. Another advantage of double-pane windows is their ability to block harmful ultraviolet (UV) rays. UV rays can cause furniture, carpets, and curtains to fade over time. Double-pane windows with low emissivity coatings provide added protection by reflecting UV rays away from your home, helping preserve the color and longevity of your interior furnishings. This can be especially valuable for homeowners in Clinton Township who want to protect their investments and maintain the aesthetic of their living spaces. Increased home value. Installing energy-efficient features like double-pane windows can significantly increase the value of your home. Prospective buyers are often looking for homes with lower energy costs and better insulation, making double-pane windows an attractive selling point. Whether you plan to sell your home in the near future or simply want to improve its value for the long term, double-pane windows are a smart investment. Environmentally friendly. Lastly, double-pane windows are an environmentally conscious choice. By improving your home's energy efficiency, you reduce your carbon footprint, as less energy is required for heating and cooling. This not only helps save money but also contributes to a greener, more sustainable environment, something that resonates with many homeowners in Clinton Township who care about the future of the planet. Conclusion. In Clinton Township's climate, where the temperature swings between extremes, double-pane windows offer a wide range of benefits, including improved insulation, energy savings, noise reduction, UV protection, and even increased home value. Investing in these windows not only enhances your home's comfort and efficiency but also contributes to a more sustainable living environment. If you're considering upgrading your windows, double-pane windows are a wise and worthwhile choice for any homeowner in Clinton Township.